This is my mini bike, and a couple months ago, I broke the throttle. So I ordered a new throttle setup, and today we're gonna put it on. This package contains Nibby Racing throttle, grips, and last but definitely not least, throttle cable. Let's fix my bike. First off, I'm gonna take off the brake. Just like that. Now, I have to try to yank that off. Might have to cut it. All right, so I put the new grip on. The video got deleted. But now, to put on the brake. The brake is back on. The new throttle. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. Now, wait, I just called it. So I got the old throttle off, and now all I got to do is take the old throttle cable off, which means I got to snap all the zip ties to go all the way down to connect all the wires. So this is going to be so much fun. I got it completely off, and now the airbox is completely off except for that. Got the whole throttle cable off. Kind of broken pieces, but that's okay. All right, guys, so I got the whole throttle set up all the way on. It's down there. I still have to cut the wire, but I'm gonna have to do some test runs to make sure it's at full capacity. I just test rode it. That's why I have the gloves on. Tune in for the next video when I do some riding. I'm not gonna do it right now because it's really, really loud with the straight pipe. So yeah, it's all ready. There's the new grips, the new throttle. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, you guys are real ones. If you guys enjoyed this content, consider subscribing and even leaving a like on the video. It helps a lot. I'll try to do things as much as possible, but it's hard because things cost money and I'm 16 and money's sometimes hard to come by. Peace out, guys. Watch the next one.